If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but don't know where to start, stick with me.
Today, we'll break down the steps, share real stories from Amazon to the bakery down the street, and give you the tips that actually work. The first step, mindset. Every big brand you know started with someone who believed their idea mattered before anyone else did. And then there's local success, like Mariel's Bakery. She turned a weekend hobby into a thriving business that now supplies restaurants across town.
Great businesses solve real problems. Think about what frustrates people and then build the solution.
Airbnb started when two roommates rented out an air mattress during a conference. That simple idea is now a global giant.
List out your skills and interests. You'll move faster in a business you actually enjoy working on.
James started roasting beans in his garage. Now his coffee is on shelves in 3 states, and it all started with one farmer's market stall.
Before you launch, research your market. Who needs your product, and how do they spend money?
Tesla took a huge risk building expensive electric sports cars first. It grabbed attention, and then they scaled to everyday vehicles.
A mentor can save you years of mistakes. Learn from someone who's already done it.
Lena started a cooking channel. Today, she runs her own restaurant and it's booked out months in advance.
Don't chase millions right away. Serve 100 customers really well, and they'll tell the...
You don't need fancy gear. Many great businesses started with a laptop and a dream. Jeff Bezos started Amazon selling books from his garage. Now, it's one of the biggest companies in the world. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to work well enough to get feedback.
Instagram started as a check-in app, but they pivoted to photos when they saw what people loved most.
Test on a small scale first. Markets, pop-ups, or even online listings before going all in. Sophie started on Etsy. Now she has her own store and wholesale deals with boutiques.
Don't blow your budget on fancy offices or branding. Profit comes from keeping expenses lean.